Here are 3 dangers on spending emotional money and 3 tips on how you can stop doing it. Watch the video. Okay, now you have to start asking for receipts, baby. I had to, because every time I wanted to write something down, that was cute, but step 1, yeah. But guess what? I wasn't asking for receipts. I needed a backup, visual backup that I was actually doing this thing. So I started to ask for receipts everywhere I went. Can I have a receipt? I don't care if it's a supermarket, the gas station, if it's a shawarma, if it's a roti, and they have to write the receipt and whatever. Ask for receipt. Then for the week, you're gonna put all your receipts in a transparent plastic bag or whatever it is. It has to be transparent. Why? Because you can't hide transparent. You need to become, oh my God, this is all I'm spending. I didn't know. You need to become like almost scared. Like, wait, this is a serious issue. You understand? Boom. Then you're going to then have the money that you should stop spending. After you see these receipts and you get nervous and you say, okay, I gotta stop putting money aside and be serious about this thing. You're gonna get envelopes and you're gonna write a destination on them. Just like an airline ticket. If it doesn't have a destination, you have a problem. You ain't going nowhere. Somebody else has a plan for your money. Boo! Every bill you pay, somebody has a plan. Right now you watching me, that's internet. You paying something. In electricity, you paying. So every day you paying money. Okay? Somebody got a plan for your money. It's about time you give your money a destination. Dream car, dream home, vacation, spa, health insurance, whatever, shopping spree. Guilt-free spending. Write the destination down and how much you want to put in here. Then you're going to get a see-through small transparent folder like this. Again, transparent is the key word here. You need to see what you're doing so that you can be able to hold yourself what? Accountable. Okay, you your own hero. Remember, I have one that's 13 slots. See how simple this is? 13 slots. Okay, see all my envelopes in there? Now what you're going to do, you're going to write down the different months here at the top of it. Okay, I got this by a dollar store. It's really simple. You don't need to spend a bunch of money for this, okay? And then you're going to go through your spending. Make sure that what you're spending goes to where it needs to go. That means saying no a couple of times to people you just not say yes to. It's about time to discipline yourself. Okay? That was the second tip. Get ready for the third one. Hi there. Thank you so much for watching video 5 of 7. If you love this video, you'll definitely want to check out video 6 of 7, where I continue to talk about the 3 different dangers of emotional overspending your money and the 3 different tips that I did on how to help me stop doing it. Plus, if you want to join the others in an amazing support group for 11 months where we help you to go from this to this, make sure to fill in the Google Doc form to join the waiting list. And until then, check out that next video. See you in the next one.